Hello everyone and welcome back to Lotus Premier Education. My name is Amanda and I want to be your college tutor. Today I'm inviting you on a Lotus field trip. We are here at the Enfield Shaker Village, learning more about the Shakers, a group who was super important in American history. So the Shakers were started by Anne Lee over in England, and she actually brought their religion and their community to the United States to take advantage of the land here and really grow the Shaker community. And the Shakers got their name because Anne Lee was actually originally a Quaker, but when she practiced her religion, she really liked to move. She was very overcome by the Spirit. And so they would call Anne Lee's group of people, group of followers, the Shaking Quakers. And that's how we got the Shakers. The Shakers were really important in the 17 and 1800s, especially in American history. They believed in collective and communal living, and they also believed that men and women were equal, which was a really revolutionary thought at that time. Women had very important roles in the community. So today, what we want to talk about is what you too can learn from the Shakers and how they can be so important as you think about your own educational journey. So one big thing about the Shakers loved, and I mean loved, innovation. They believed in creating a heaven on earth, which meant putting a lot of time and investment into the things that they did and trying to leave their communities better each and every single day. So something that you should really keep in mind when you're working on your educational advising journey is how can you really focus on bringing this attitude into your activities? How can you create impact and make your communities better every single day? How can you be innovative and think outside the box? One thing we know colleges love to see is students who are innovative and who are doing different things. The Shakers were really well known because they would apply these principles to really small, mundane things. So for example, creating the perfect chair or creating the modern day broom. Yes, that was actually a Shaker invention. So one thing we would encourage you to do as students who are crafting your own educational paths at this point is really focus on the details in your journey. Focus on the small points of your activities, because once you apply to college, those are actually going to be the big things. And like I said, they're really looking for impact. They're looking for how you made a difference in your communities. So thanks so much for joining us on our Lotus field trip. We hope you learned something about the Shakers, and we hope you learned something about innovation and also about making an impact in your communities through making things better than when you found them. If this video was helpful, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all soon.